Dear, well, I don't know who will find this letter, but I hope it's not my mom. If I know the pain it will bring because I've decided to take my life. I tried rope, my dad's gun, and a knife. So I decided to ingest these dangerous substances. Day 5. I was never gonna live long anyways because I got tired. I know I wasn't good for nothing, but I tried. Even though every promise I made turned into a lie. And I always got bullied because I was quiet and shy. Well, at least now I'll be free and finally reach the sky. At least now y'all won't have to argue whether you should or shouldn't give me a piece of pie. At least now y'all will know depression is real, and if y'all ignore it, that person will die. Well, I've been dead for too long inside, and I thought life was worth a fight. I thought one day there'd be light, but fuck it. That's a myth. I'm no gift, I'm a curse with no sigh. Dad, in your first drawer you'll find what I bought for you. It's a tie. Mama bought you a scarf. And I bought all my siblings sneakers and pumps. It wasn't expensive, but I bought it with every heart's pump. I know y'all will be happy without me in your lives. As you said, Dad, I'm a disappointment and I shouldn't be alive. I'll be the good type of ancestor though. I'll help y'all survive. Even though I never finished school, never had a good job to make y'all look cool, I always try my best to put food on the table. I tried by all means to make our lives stable. I guess it was never enough though, cause y'all always said I shamed you. I'm gone now, and wherever I am, I'm happy. Since I was the devil in the family, I did this for your safety. I love you all, and I hope you will forgive me.